Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a look at the Nathan James Gracie Modern Dining Chair. If you're into modern or farmhouse style, then you're going to love the look and feel of these chairs. The Gracie chair features a brushed gray wood wash on its solid legs and white natural flax upholstery, making it a perfect fit for any modern or farmhouse style kitchen. The wide, supportive backrest highlights an exposed wooden back that adds to its farmhouse feel, while the C-shaped cushion and tapered legs can carry up to 300 pounds. These chairs also come with built-in footrests for your comfort. And the best part? Assembly is a breeze, taking only 20 minutes, and they come with a lifetime manufacturer warranty. But wait, there's more. You can try these chairs out for 100 days, and if you're not completely satisfied, you can get your money back. So if you're looking to upgrade your dining space with a touch of modern farmhouse style, be sure to check out the Nathan James Gracie Modern Dining Chair. You can find the link in the description below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fantastic reviews and home decor tips. Thanks for watching.